To make this beautiful magazine bowl, all you're going to need is an old magazine. So you're going to be making something beautiful out of something that normally would go to the landfill. So for today, I'm going to use an old Avon catalog. Try to find a magazine that has very thin pages. You can also use a newspaper, dictionary pages, anything that's really thin. And the way you're going to make these rolls is you're going to need some sort of rolling tool. This is a barbecue stick. You could also use the inside of a pen, anything that's really, really thin. And you're going to cut each page into quarters. Okay, so 4 strips. You're going to take whichever color that you prefer and you're going to put that on the bottom. So I really like the pattern of this black and white dress, so that's going to be on the bottom and on the top part. So you're going to take whatever rolling tool you're going to use and you're going to start at the bottom right corner and roll as tightly as you can at a diagonal. So you're creating something that looks like a straw. Then at the end on this tab, you're going to go ahead, actually I have this glue started, and just place a little bit of white glue right there. And then you're going to remove whatever tool you used to roll, and then you're going to flatten. And you're going to need to make probably, my guess would be 50 to 60, depends how big you want your bowl. You could use less if you want a smaller bowl. So let me show you that again. So I take each page and decide which side I like better, and I do really like the black with a little bit of the green. Start at the bottom right corner, and the only tricky part to this is this little tab right here needs to get tucked underneath. That's the only part. And once you've rolled 4 or 5 of these, you'll be able to get really nice even tension. And then glue to hold. So that's step 1, is to create all of these straws. I usually do it while listening to an audiobook or something. It gets very relaxing. And flatten. So I have a bunch of these I've already made. I just need to go ahead and flatten them. You could also use a bone folder to flatten if you want. You could use an old credit card or just your fingers. Totally up to you. And the first one, whichever one you're going to start, I really like this, the pinks in this one. You're going to start by rolling as tightly as you can the first strip. Just try to get that as tightly as possible. And then to go on to your next one, you're going to add some glue right here, and then put the thin, most rolls, just because of the way you roll it, will have a fatter end and a thinner end. You're going to place the thinner end inside that fatter end, stick it up a little, inside a little bit with a little bit of glue to hold it, and then continue rolling. So you're going to be rolling something that looks like a coaster. Actually, it would be a coaster if you don't bring up the sides to make it into a bowl. So again, glue in that fat end, and then you're going to take the thinner end of the next one and put it inside and continue rolling. Making sure that your tension stays nice and tight. This might be the thinner end, so then I'm going to take the fatter end. And sometimes they don't exactly go inside the way you imagined it. You kind of have to sometimes kind of wiggle it a little bit. And continue rolling. The nice thing about this is no matter what, each one will be unique depending on the the colors of the page, the type of magazine you use, the color combination you choose. So it's a really fun craft just because there's so much of it that you can decide. And I like to alternate between whites and darks and brights. But if you want to do it all in one color scheme, go ahead and do that, just depending on the pages that you decide to roll. So while I'm doing this, it would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. They are always related to upcycling books, magazines, paper, anything to save anything going to the landfill. So any sort of eco-craft. So I will continue rolling, and then once I've got it to the desired size that I want, again, there's no right answer to that, I will show you how to bring the sides up to create this bowl. Then we'll once you've made this as big as you'd like, you're going to take the Modge Podge, and I find it easier just to go ahead and pour a little bit on top. And you're going to put it over the entire thing. And make sure you get the sides. And then take off the extra. You can also do this with a sponge brush. I just think it's easier. You're going to have to get your hands dirty anyways. Then, what you're going to do is very gently start pushing on it, just a little bit by a little bit, and you're going to start to form the bowl. If you wanted to leave it as a coaster, then you would just leave it flat, and that's beautiful too. You need to do this very slowly. And this is really the fun part. It's almost like pottery. You're really starting to see this form. And I've tried doing this dry and then adding the Modge Podge. It really is a lot harder that way. This really keeps it from slipping and losing the bowl. Because what can happen is, as you're pushing, if it's dry, it can start to unwind. And once it starts to unwind, it's really hard to fix it. You might as well just start again. So just be aware you really need to take your time. Now this would be a perfect little ring bowl. If you make it bigger, you could use it as a candy dish or what have you, or be really nice on a desk, maybe for a teacher gift for paper clips. That could be really nice. And once you get it, and make sure that it's flat, you're going to go ahead and let that dry. And then once it's dry, you'll then add the Modge Podge to the outside of the bowl. Let that dry again, and then spray it with the acrylic. While it won't be waterproof, it will be weather resistant. So I will go ahead and let that dry. And then we'll meet back I will do this side as well. Actually, I'll just go ahead and do that now. If you're gentle, you could do it while it's still wet. And then because you'll have both sides wet, you could place it on parchment paper so that it doesn't stick. But if you just want to wait and let the inside dry first, that's fine. So we'll meet back once this is all dry, and then we'll go ahead and spray it. And you'll see how beautiful this is. This will make a beautiful gift. Mother's Day gift, Father's Day gift, teacher gift, Christmas, whatever you can think of. And then go ahead and put it on parchment paper. So once it's dried from the Modge Podge, then you're going to go ahead and take some clear acrylic. Again, this is by the same brand, but it doesn't have to be. Go ahead and shake it, and then you're just going to go ahead and spray that. Let that dry, flip it over, spray it. If you want to do, you can also do more than one layer if you want it to be super protected. But there you have it, this beautiful bowl made from upcycled magazines. Happy folding.